To prepare Tzatziki, yiaoutri mele, and the salad. I won't have to be in the kitchen all day. All I have to do is prepare the salad and the dessert and the tzatziki. We're ordering the meals from our favourite Greek. Such a lovely person with beautiful menu, gorgeous meals. Tonight, it's a Greek menu. My husband loves Greek food and it's his birthday, so he gets to choose. To prepare the yogurt for the dessert and for the tzatziki, I need to drain a lot of the whey off the yogurt, so that's the first job. I don't need it totally dry. I just don't want a sloppy tzatziki or a sloppy dessert on the plate. So I'm now going to divide the yogurt. I'll need some for dessert and some for the tzatziki.